In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Jira board. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply getting rid of projects that are no longer active, understanding how to properly remove a Jira board is crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient workflow. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Jira workspace. Once you're logged in, head straight to the Your Work section. This is typically found in the top navigation bar of your Jira homepage. It's where you can quickly access all the projects you're working on or managing. Think of it as your command center for anything and everything you have in progress. After you've landed on the Your Work page, your next step is to click on the Projects tab. Here you'll see an overview of all the projects currently under your domain. It doesn't matter whether you're managing 1 or 100 projects, this is where they'll all be listed. Now, it might be that not all projects are immediately visible, especially if you're part of a larger organization with numerous projects running simultaneously. In that case, click on View All Projects to expand your view. This ensures you don't overlook any projects and that you have a complete list right at your fingertips. Once you've located the project containing the board you wish to remove, you'll need to find the 3 dots or the More Action icon. This little symbol is the key to accessing more options, and it's usually located next to the project's name. Think of it as a gateway to more advanced project settings. A small icon that packs a punch. Clicking on this will open up a menu, and from here you'll want to select Move to Trash. It sounds final, and in many ways it is, but this step ensures that you're intentionally removing the board and not doing so accidentally. Given the importance of the projects managed within Jira, this added step acts as a failsafe, ensuring you're absolutely certain about removing the board. Finally, after selecting Move to Trash, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is your last chance to cancel the action, so take a moment to ensure you're removing the correct board. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Move. This action will remove the board from your active projects list and move it to the trash. A few additional tips to consider throughout this process. Always double check which board you're removing. It's easy to click on the wrong project when handling many. Remember that removing a board can affect your team if it's a collaborative project. Make sure to communicate with your team members about the removal to avoid any confusion or work disruption. If you're unsure whether you'll need the board in the future, consider archiving it instead of permanently deleting it. This way you can always bring it back if the need arises. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps of removing a Jira board. While it might seem like a straightforward process, it's always good to proceed with caution and ensure that you're making intentional changes to your workspace. Keeping your projects organized not only helps in maintaining efficiency, but also ensures a smoother workflow for you and your team. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or new to the platform, understanding how to manage your projects effectively is key to a successful workflow. Stay organized, communicate with your team, and you'll navigate through your project management tasks with ease.